dealt a devastating blow to the security of
Israel.
לכל אחד יש רגע שהוא פשוט חייב ביג אמריקה.
Here you go, Mr. President.
God bless Israel. For the big America.
מקדונלדס מציגה סדרת ביג אמריקה, המבורגרי בנטריקות
Mr. Skibo? Mr. Skibo? What? Try to focus a little more on your love life and a little less on Ghost Wars.
Come on, Miss Glows. No one believes
in COVID
anymore.
Is that right?
Show me your tits.
No one? How many of you believe
In COVID.
No one? Ah, one student believes.
Israel has every right to exist!
Bruh.
Yeah, but he's not a student. He's an overgrown lemon.
Unacceptable condition!
Saying, well, it's my freedom, it's whatever.
Oh!
Okay, we're somewhere in Europe.
Overgrown lemon.
Clone those lemons and make super lemon.
Bruh.
He's an overgrown lemon.
No!
This is an overgrown lemon.
We're living in a society!
Pac? On what do you base your beliefs? I've read up.
I cannot believe that I'm even crazy. This is literally circular logic. They just keep going back and saying, well, it's my freedom, it's whatever. We continue to waste our breath on people who are just crazy. Are you people crazy? Go ahead. Do you troll the stupid, silly trolls on Twitter in junior high school?
You mean like that?
Yeah, kinda.
Play to win. You never lose when 7-Up's the one you choose. It's a natural kind of taste. Yeah, that's what only it can do. It's a clean, refreshing taste. 7-Up.
Wilfred Brimley, and I'd like to talk to you for a few minutes about diabetes. Diabetes.
Point that you're trying to make, even with the diabetes.
Dude, stop saying diabetes. You sound like an ass. You eaten anything today?
No.
I mean, there's no reason Miss Pac-Man needs to know I'm gay.
Oh, sweetie. I think she already knows.
Here comes Pac-Man.
It is ma'am!
Pac is back. Ghost chomping at his back. Stop him.
I run with gangs.
Go back to your country!
Whack. That's whack.
Oh shit. Here comes Pac-Man.
Oh yeah, Mr. Krabs.
I'm gonna wail on you.
Hello there. Hello there. I'm Flush.
On your own side, ski. On your own side, ski, 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 ski. This isn't your fight, Spiral.
Downward spiral down.
Motherfucker, take it outside Chinese people with their kung fu.
Right, all right.
God. When mom kicks you off the Xbox.
But you ate all the food. Not all of it.
Sarsaparilla.
They're good. Try them.
I suppose. See? All better now. These are awful! Are you trying to poison me?
We tried to poison you. Because you're an insane, degenerate piece of filth, and you deserve to die.
I need the corporate number.
Pac? On what do you base your belief?